Stay with me and I'll teach you how to make this awesome turkey burger right now. So thanks for joining me again. Today I'm going to make a turkey burger that I created about 2 years ago. I love the flavor combinations. It's really healthy, and it's not your typical boring flavorless turkey burger. We've got a lot going on here. So the first thing that is, I've got some ground turkey that I purchased, and I want to add some spices and some herbs to it. So the first thing I want to do is chop up some fresh parsley. I'm going to add that to the ground turkey. I'm also going to add some thyme. A little bit of onion powder. Some salt. And fresh ground pepper. The other thing that you need to know is ground turkey can be extremely wet. And so when I took this meat out of the package, I noticed that it was. I'm going to add some breadcrumbs. And when I mix this together, it'll help absorb a little bit of that liquid. You could try to pat it with a paper towel if you want. It really doesn't matter. Okay, now that I have the burger set, I'm going to put it aside, let it get a little bit room temperature. And now I want to I'm going to save this jalapeno for a little bit. I want to just dice up a little bit of onion because we're going to saute some onion. So a little bit of olive oil in a pan, and we're going to get these onions in here and put it on the stove. We're going to saute them for a little bit. Okay, now we're just going to slice up a little bit of jalapeno thinly. These are going on the turkey burger as well. While the onions are sauteing, we're going to get that grill preheated. We want it as hot as possible. Okay, grill is super hot. We're going to put the turkey burger on now. And those of you who know me well enough and have seen some of my other videos, you know I like to have a toasted bun. While the burger's finishing getting cooked out on the grill, I'm going to continue with the rest of my ingredients. I'm actually putting some hummus on the bottom of the roll. This is a red pepper hummus. You can use plain hummus or whatever you want, but that's going there. And then we're going to add the sauteed onions. And after that, we're going to lay the jalapeno slices down that we cut. These flavors work so well together. It is time to check the burger. Let's see if it's ready. It definitely is. We're going to bring it inside now. Let's get the burger on the bun. And this is what we're topping it with. No cheese. We've got my homemade tzatziki sauce with coarse chopped cucumber. You can look up in the there's a card above for this, and also I'm going to leave a link down below so you can get the recipe for this. And then we're going to top it with some hot Hungarian paprika. So that's it. This is my 2-year-old turkey burger creation that I love so much. Hopefully you'll like it too. If you do, please hit that subscribe button and bell notification icon so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for stopping in, and I'm going to have this for lunch right now.